With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's discuss the question. Express each of the following as a rational number of the form p upon q. And first part of this question is minus 8 by 3 plus minus 1 by 4 plus minus 11 by 6 plus 3 by 8 minus 3. So let's begin with the solution of this question. So first we will take the LCM of all these denominator and then we will perform the addition. So here nothing is there in the denominator of this 3. So it will be definitely 1. So we have to just take the LCM of this 3, 4, 6 and 8. So we can write here this as by prime factorization. So by prime factorization the numbers are 3, 1 is 4 and this is 6 and again another number is 8. Now first we will divide all these number by 2. So by dividing all this number by 2, which is completely divisible by this 2. So 3 is not divisible, so we have to write this 3 as it is. This 4 is divisible and it will be 2, that is 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Now this 6 divided by this 2, so it will be 3. So here this will be 3 and this 8 divided by 2, so it will be equal to this 4. Now again we will divide because some of the factor of this 2 are there, that is multiples. So again we are writing this 2. So here dividing all this number by 2, we get this as 3 only, that is 3 is not divisible, so we have to write as it is. Now this 2 is divisible, so 2 divided by 2, it is equal to 1. Now this 3 divided by 2, so it is not possible, so 3 as it is. And this 4 divided by 2, so it will be equal to 2. Again we have to just divide by 2, so we write 2 here, and again if we will divide, so we get this 3 as it is. So 3 here, this 1 again here, this 3 will as it is here, and this 2 will become 1, that is 2 divided by this 2, so it will be 1. Now we have to just divide all this number by 3. So here we can write this 3 divided by 3, so it will be 1. This is 1 divided by 3, so it is not divisible, so we have to write as it is. Here also this is 1, that is 3 divided by 3, and here as it is this 1. So all these, the product of all these number will be the LCM, and this method is prime factorization. This method is prime factorization. So LCM of all these denominator, this will be given by product of all these 3 terms, this 4 term. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into this last term, that is 3. So multiplying all this, we get 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. 4 multiplied by 2, it is 8, and 8 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 24. So this is the LCM of all these number. Now what we have to do, we have to just write this LCM here, that is in the denominator of the whole fraction. So LCM is the denominator. Now this LCM, so what we have to do, we have to just divide this LCM, this 24 will be divided by this 3, this 3, that is the denominator of this, so it will be 3. So 24 divided by 3, and we have to multiply this by the numerator, that is minus 8. So this is multiplied by this minus 8. Now we have to just put this sign, that is the here this is positive plus sign, so it will be plus sign here. And again we have to follow the same procedure, that is this LCM 24. So this 24 will be divided by the denominator, that is this denominator is 4. So here this will be 4, and it is multiplied by the numerator, that is minus 1. So this minus 1 is multiplied. Again we have to follow the same procedure, that is the LCM will be divided by 6. So LCM is 24, so plus 24 here, and here this will be divided by this 6, that is the denominator of minus 11, and it is multiplied by the minus 11. So again the more terms will be there, that is like this, that is this 3 by 8. So we have to follow the same procedure, that is this 24 LCM is divided by 8 multiplied by 3, and again this LCM is divided by this 1. So this will be plus, this will be 24 divided by 1, and it is multiplied, this is multiplied by this minus 3. So here this is minus 3. So this is the value. Now if we'll just simplify this whole expression, so what we get this as 24 divided by 3, so it will be 8, and 8 multiplied by minus 8. So here we get this as 8 into minus 8, it will be minus 64. Here this will be 24 divided by 4, so it will be 6, and 6 multiplied by minus 1, so it is minus 6. So here this will be plus, this will be minus 6. Now again this 24 divided by this 6, so it will be 4. So this 4 will be multiplied by this minus 11, so here we have to write minus 11, and here this 24 divided by 8, so it will be equal to 3, and this 3 is again multiplied by this 3, that is 3 into 3 will be 9, so it is 9. And here this 24 divided by 1, so 24 divided by 1 will be 24, and this is multiplied by this 3, here this is 3, so here this will be this plus 24, this 24 and multiplied by this minus 3, so in the denominator this will be 24, so this we have to perform. Now we, if we'll just simplify, so this will be minus 64, and this plus minus will be minus, so here this is minus 6, this 11 into 4, so it will be minus 44 because of this minus sign, so we have to write this minus 44 here. Again this will be 9, so this is plus 9 here, and again in the last this is 24 into minus 3, so it is minus 72 and divided by this 24. So if we'll just simplify all this adding and subtracting, so we get this as, so this will become minus 177, and in the denominator this LCM, that is 24. Now we have to just simplify this expression, that is express it into a rational form, that is in the simplest form. So we can write this as P upon Q. This P upon Q, this will be equal to this minus 177 divided by 24. Now if you'll observe that both numerator and denominator are divisible by this 3, so if we'll just divide the numerator by 3, so we get this as minus 59, this is minus 59, and dividing the denominator by 3, so we get this as 8, that is if we'll multiply this 59 by 3, so we get 177, and here also this we get as 8 into this 3, so it will be 24. So this is the simplest form. So the value of P will be equal to minus 59, and the value of Q, that is P upon Q, so it is equal to this Q will be this 8. So this is the answer for this first part of the question. Now we will move to the second part of the question. So here also we have to just take the LCM by using the prime factorization method. So here the numbers are 7, here nothing is there in the denominator of 1, so we have to just take here as 1, so number is 7, 9, 21, and this 7 again, so the numbers are 7 and 9, and again the number is 21. Now if we'll take the LCM, so first we'll take the table of 3, because this 9 and 21 both are divisible by 3, so here this will be 3, so if we'll just divide all these 3 number by 3, so 7 is not divisible, the 9 is divisible in 3 times, so it will be 3 here, and this 21 is divisible by 3 in 7 times, so it will be 7. Again we will take the table of 3, because 3 is divisible by 3, so it will be 3, the 7 is as it is, and 3 will become 1, because 3 divided by 3 will be 1, and here this 7 divided by 3 is not possible, so we have to write 7 here. Now again we will write, so it will be 7, that is 7 we will speak, so 7 divided by 7, it will be equal to 1. Now this 1 is as it is, and again 7 divided by 7, it is equal to 1. So the LCM of all the denominator will be 3 into 3 into 7, so 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, so we can write this as 9 into 7, so it will be equal to 63. This is the LCM. Now we'll follow the same procedure to get the simplification of this whole expression. So we have to just write this LCM in the denominator. So writing the LCM in the denominator, that is 63. Now what we have to do, we have to divide the LCM 63 by the denominator and multiply by the numerator to perform the addition and subtraction of all these rational number. So this 63 is divided by this 7, that is the denominator of the first fraction. This will be multiplied by the numerator, that is 6, so here this will be 6. Similar procedure will be applied for all these number. So here the denominator is 1, so 63 divided by 1 will be 63, and again multiplied by 1, so it will be 63. So here this will be plus 63. Now here this is a minus sign, so we can just apply a minus sign here. Now this 63, that is LCM, is divided by this 9, so minus 63 divided by 9, and we have to multiply this by 7, so it will be 7. Here this is a positive sign, so this 63, this plus sign, and 63 is divided by this 19, this 21 here, this 21 that is the denominator, and multiplied by the numerator that is 19. And again in the last we have to just write same, that is this 63 is divided by this 7. So here we can write this as a minus, because here this is a minus sign, so minus 63 divided by 7 multiplied by this 12. So this is the answer. Now if we'll further simplify this, so 63 divided by 7, so we get this as 9, so it will be 9 here. And in the denominator the LCM will be written, so it will be 63 as it is here. Now 9 multiplied by 6, so it will be 54. So here this is 54, here this is 63 as it is, so 63 plus, and here this 63 divided by 9, so it will be 7, and 7 multiplied by 7, so it will be 49, so minus 49. Again here this 63 divided by 21, this is 21, so 63 divided by 21 will be 3, and 3 multiplied by 19, so it will be 57, so plus 57. And here this 63 is divided by this 7, so it will be 9, and 9 multiplied by 12, so it will be 108, so minus 108. Now we have to just add and subtract all these values, so we get this number as 54 plus this 63 plus this 57, and this is subtracted by minus, and this will be 49 and minus 108 divided by this 63, so divided by 63. Now if we'll further simplify this whole expression, so we get this as, so here this comes out to be 17, that is 17 upon this will be 63. So this is the rational form, that is P upon Q. We cannot simplify these two terms more, so this is the answer for this second part of the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.